everyone, I am Zayan. Welcome to my channel My Fun Hut. Today's topic is how does a pencil work? So let's learn something new today. Pencils are really convenient. They can write smoothly on any kind of paper, they can be sharpened and the marks can be rubbed out easily. Why is it so easy to write with a pencil? Graphite is a soft black substance, a form of carbon that is used in pencils. The term lead pencil came about when the graphite was first discovered. People mistook it for lead as it was black and shiny. What kind of material can we use it on? This is what the surface of a paper looks like under a microscope. You can see that it is made of fine fibers of wood. When you draw a line on this bumpy surface, the pencil point rubs against the rough surface and wears off little by little. The graphite that a pencil lead is made of is trapped between the paper fibers and leaves a mark. It is difficult for graphite to stick to plastic or glass because its surface is smoother than paper. Cloth is too soft to break the lead, so it is hard to write letters on it. So the ideal material for a pencil to write on should be rough surface so that the graphite breaks off, and grainy so the graphite adheres to it. What does HB in pencil stand for? The letters H and B printed on a pencil stand for hard and black. The hardness and blackness of a pencil depend on the proportions of graphite and clay used to make the lead. More graphite means that the pencil will make a softer, blacker mark on paper, and more clay means that the pencil will make a harder, lighter mark on paper. There are pencils available from H to 9H, hardest, and B to 9B, softest. These numbers indicate the degree of hardness or blackness. A 4H pencil is harder than a 2H pencil, and a 4B pencil is softer than a 2B pencil. The letter F is also sometimes used to indicate that a pencil can be sharpened to a fine point. Have you noticed that most pencils are hexagonal in shape? It's because it gives you a better grip and it doesn't roll off the table easily. All the materials used to make the lead in color pencils are soft. There is no graphite in a colored pencil. Powdered pigments or dyes are mixed with water, clay, and a variety of glues and resins to bind them. The leads in colored pencils are usually thicker than those in normal pencils. A hexagonal pencil has thin edges and is not ideal for thick leads. So to prevent the colored pencil from breaking, a round shape is preferred. Historical background. Prehistoric people used different materials to draw and paint on cave walls. Once language and writing was invented, a number of writing tools came to use. A stylus was a thin metal rod that was used to scratch letters on sheets of papyrus. Styluses were made of lead, copper, or gold. A reed pen was made by cutting and shaping a reed or a bamboo stem to a fine point, which could be dipped in ink. Some Egyptian reed pens had nibs. A quill pen was the sharpened flight feather of a goose. Its hollow was filled with ink. Brushes dipped in ink or paint were used in ancient China to write. Later, after the discovery of graphite and its suitability as a writing material, pencil making became a mass industry. 10 interesting facts about pencils. One theory is that the word pencil comes from the Latin word pencillus, which means little tail. Another is that it's derived from the French pincel, meaning little paintbrush. Before the invention of erasers, writers and artists used breadcrumbs to erase mistakes. Pencil can be sharpened 17 times, draw a line 35 miles long, and can write approximately 45,000 words. An average size tree will make approximately 300,000 pencils. Graphite was discovered in large and pure quantities near Cumbria in early mid-1500s. It was found to be very useful for marking sheep. The first mechanical pencil factory was located in England in 1822. It was destroyed in a bombing during World War II. Thomas Edison had his pencil specially made to be thicker than the average pencil. Pencils can write in zero gravity and were used on space missions by American and Russian astronauts. Pencils can also write underwater. Today, there are many kinds of pencils. There are grease pencils that can write on glass, plastic, and metal. There are even watercoloring pencils that can paint. So friends, pencils are really the right choice. If you enjoyed the video, like, share and subscribe to my channel to sharpen your skills. I would be happy to lead you in the right direction. Bye.